In the Alert Center right now, I'm breaking down what a big interest rate hike means for you. We warned you today on the news at noon that it was likely to happen. It has happened, believe it or not. The Federal Reserve increasing rates by 3/4 of a percentage point. That is the largest hike since 1994. A Pace University econ professor, he says that's because the Fed was keeping rates low for too long to promote spending during the pandemic. So what does all this mean for you? Let's take a look. Affects your life in a few different ways. Let's talk stock market first. Stocks are going to be worth less. That econ professor says that's because people will sell. It'll cause pressure to lower the price. 401ks, a lot of us have them. If you have one, you probably have a combination of stocks and bonds. That econ professor says if you're not retiring for a long time, don't worry. But if you're retiring soon, it'll probably make you nervous because maybe your statement said you had 100,000, a month ago, and now it'll probably say something like you have 80,000, and that can be nerve-wracking. Where did all my money go? So that's what might happen with your 401k. That might cause you, if you are retiring in the next few years, maybe you get nervous. Maybe that means slower spending, and that can mean a recession in the future, probably not too far away, according to that econ professor. You won't be making those big purchases, maybe not going on that vacation you really were looking forward to. If you're buying a house, it's already been a really competitive market. Mortgage rates could go up a lot because of this. So that's how it'll affect you. Professor Mark Weinstock has some tips for you. Listen to one.
The Treasury allows individuals to buy up to $10,000 of TIPS. TIPS, TIPS, are Treasury inflation protected securities. And I believe they're paying about 10% now. And you'll get 10% a year on that, which is certainly a lot better than you can do without any risk at all from the stock market or other bond markets.
Good advice. We have a lot more on news12.com and our mobile app. We also want to know what you think. Check out our Twitter poll question of the day asking what impact rising interest rates will have on you.